Hey my love, welcome back to another episode of how to wig your closures wig. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing you guys the step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved this. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is a very detailed video, so let's jump straight to the video. So welcome back. So for this video we ventilated a 3x5 closure. I have a detailed video on that on my channel, you can check it out. So today a client brought 200 grams of bone straight, and this is how it's looking like. We ventilated from the 200 grams. So these are the materials we are going to be using for this tutorial. So another materials you're needing is cap. So in today's video I'm using this particular net. Then the other materials needed is our wood. So this is the wood which you are going to thread, and we're using our pin. So this is the pin I'm going to be using. Then we need our canvas head. So let's proceed to the actual things that we are here to learn. So I'm using size 22 for this particular videos because my client head is a 22 head. So yes, this is what I do, and I make sure I place the net very well to the mannequin. You can see I'm trying to secure it with my office pin or bubble pin, so anyone you call it. So you just want to make sure the net is very secure, so that when you start stitching it won't be moving all around. So what you want to do now is to start placing your closure. So one thing I used to do is I make sure I position the closure into the middle. You can see when you look close to the canvas, you can see I pinned into the middle of the canvas head, which make me get the exact middle point of the hair. So all you want to do now is just to start placing the hair with your pin and make sure it's very straight. This is where most of you get it wrong, so make sure you don't want something that is tacky. So all you need to do now is, once you have placed it, you just want to secure it with your pin, and that is with your clip, and that is what I'm doing right here in this video. So what else did I need? I need my pin, my needle, which I've already doubled the trick, and you can see how I zoomed it so that you guys can see. So all you want to do is you stitch. One thing I used to do, I tied it once because I don't want a big kind of knot at this point. So for the first one I kind of knot it once, so I don't double knot at this area. So when I start stitching, maybe at the middle, and I start double tying it once. So I hope like that's what I'm saying. So this is what I do. So after drawing the guideline, all I want to do now is to take out the bundles, though we have an already done the one I ventilated for, but this is the 100 grams, so I'm going to just loosen it up, and this is how it's looking like. Once you are working with a Vietnamese bone straight, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to just go for the first line. You know that the inches we left while drawing the guideline is 1 inches, so we're going to just be using, so I'm going to be using my taping. So if you are a beginner, this is very essential, so that you will not be having instability, you get instability. So yeah, what you just want to do is start sewing. So it's just like you put the thread, the needle into the net, and you start sewing. So all you need to follow is the line you drew. So this is done as a guideline to you. Gone are the days whereby we don't draw guidelines, which it all depends on how your hand is straight. So but with this guideline, it can help you to maximize your lines. So that is it. So that is what you are just going to be doing in this video. So, and what I used to do is, for the first and second, maybe to third line, to the first line, I used to use single, I don't double it. So in that way, it will make the air to be enough. And yeah, once you are working with a longer length of portion, you don't need it to be too full, you understand. So because this hair is particularly for a hair vendor, and she said she don't want it full, like too bulky, you get. But once we reach the upper part of this hair, we are going to start doubling it. So we are going to double the bundle. So but for this part, we're just going to take it single. And once I'm knotting, I do like to knot twice. This will make sure the knot are very, very tight, and it will secure the lace and the hair also. So this will prevent the air from pulling out easily, you understand. So this is what just I'm going to be doing all through the video, so you can just concentrate and see how I'm doing it. And I'm very sure when you watch this video, you're going to learn something. So if you're enjoying this video, if you're learning, just give this video a like and share to other loved ones, and let them know you are also learning. Thank you guys, I'll see you later. guys, so this is the final look of our hair. This is how it's looking like. So all you want to do is to make sure the styling is on point. So this is how the hair is looking like. So I'll just guide to just trim some short end because I want it to rhyme, though my clients don't want a specific, like she doesn't want it like to look too blunt, so I just have to just trim the hair out. So when you're working with some clients, if they want to cut it out, you can decide to measure the inches they want, but for this particular hair, this is what the clients want. So all I want to do now is just to just trim it, as you can see in this video, and voila, this is how the hair is looking like. So if you have watched this moment, you are the real MVP of this video. Give the video a like, help me to subscribe, and help me to share. So guys, if you want, I have a detailed video on how you can draw a perfect hairline, how you can ventilate, and anything ventilation. You can check my page and you'll be notified when I post another video. So just click on the notification bell for more videos. I love you. So this is it, and I'm just wearing it on my client mannequin, a branded mannequin, just to do some videos and send to her. So this is how it's looking like. So yeah, see you in my next video. I love you. So this is the outcome of the hair. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye bye.